Hello and welcome to Mineral Water Project Information again. Today I am going to talk about the benefits of the online mineral water plant training. As you know that some time back we used to conduct the offline trainings. So till 2020 I think until before the lockdown, till the lockdown we used to conduct the offline trainings. And for conducting the offline trainings, I have actually moved all around the country, okay, and from that time onwards I was telling people that why don't we conduct online trainings, because the content is all more or less to be understood well. So finally, thanks to the COVID situation, so we launched the online training, and it's really beneficial. So let's jot down the major benefits of the whole thing. So let's understand why it was created. So not just that it is due to the COVID, but another thing is people can join from any place of the world. That is very important. And as you know that this training course, all the idea to actualization for a packaged drinking water plant, it is created for the business owners. So business owners, that's the mindset. If they understand certain investment kind of thing. So every entrepreneur should also think like a business owner. So if he understands the importance of the basics, the principles on the criteria on which he selects the investment, so it can be understood online as well. So it is not required that every time you need a offline presence. So now we are able to reach to the world, and to the cost also has come down. Second, there is a difference in the online things. What we have done is we have split it in 4 days now. So why it is in 4 days? So online, the grasping of information is a little challenging, we thought it. And there is an advantage also that 4 days a person can attend every day 90 minutes. So that is how we have pitched the whole thing. So every day 90 minutes we are going to conduct it, and it is not possible for the offline. So a person from UK, a place like say Mizoram or Delhi or Bangalore, I cannot ask that person to come here and stay for 4 days in Pune. So this is possible because of the online thing. So let's see the other advantages. As I told you that the actual timing for the training is 90 minutes. So currently we have decided that the timing will be from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is in the weekdays actually. So usually it is held on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is how the timing will be. Training material, the training material for the training course is given with the training. Every day we are giving you the PPT. So that is again the advantage. Every day's PPT will be given each day. So this is what we are giving. So how to enroll for the things. So you can just WhatsApp us on 9822478111 and you can just enroll for the training. The content of the training is given in the other video. You can just click the card on top of that, you can see that, and you can just click on that to get the details of that. So that is another thing. And one more thing which I would like to tell you, that if you are not able to join the online training in person because it is on fixed dates, so there is a possibility that you can go for the home study course. So a home study course is little different than the online thing. So where you can have the entire, you can have own the material. So that is the advantage of the home study course. So in another video we are outlining the advantages of the home study course. But important feature is that if you buy the home study course, you get the online training totally free for one training you can attend during the whole 12 months. So this is about the home study course. And one more thing I would tell you, that if you are decided to go for the plant, okay, then I would suggest you that you go for the support consultancy. Okay, support consultancy, it includes the home study course, then the online I2A, that is online idea to actualization, and support on various aspects. So it will help you in various ways to establish the plant. Support consultancy video also we can suggest you that just click the card above that, it will give you the explanation. So thank you friends, and before closing this video, again I would request you to subscribe to the channel if you are not. Press the bell icon so that you will not miss a single notification. And in the description below we have also mentioned you the newsletter link. So you can get all the trainings plus very important updates in the field. So stay tuned, and let's expect for the another great video from Mahindra Auto Project Information. Thank you so much.